Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase appraisal value with CoreLogic step by step clearly. Identify your property's current appraisal value using CoreLogic tools. Navigate to the CoreLogic website or app. Enter your property address in the search bar. Review the initial report for key details, including location and market trends. Analyze the comparable properties listed in your report. Look for properties that are similar in size, age, and features. Take note of their selling prices and appraisal values. Evaluate your property's unique features and upgrades. Consider things like renovations, high-quality materials, and energy-efficient appliances. Document these improvements with photos and receipts. Conduct a thorough comparison between your property and the comparable listings. Identify areas where your property stands out or may need improvement. Make a list of adjustments you can implement to increase value. Enhance curb appeal and first impressions. Invest in landscaping, fresh paint, and minor repairs. Ensure that your home is clean, organized, and well maintained. Gather relevant documents and reports for your property. Include previous appraisal reports, tax assessments, and renovation permits. This information will provide context and evidence for your property's value. Schedule a pre-appraisal consultation with a CoreLogic licensed appraiser. Discuss your property's features and potential improvements with them. Ask for advice on tasks that might enhance appraisal value further. Prepare for the appraisal visit. Ensure your home is accessible and tidy. Highlight upgrades and improvements during the appraisal walkthrough. Review the final appraisal report carefully. Check for any discrepancies or misunderstandings that may affect the value. Reach out to CoreLogic, if necessary, to discuss findings or adjustments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.